choreographer and trainer for the last 12 years, Rachna Gurung Sharma has been the backbone for Miss Nepal pageants. She started her career from Hong Kong and has choreographed numerous shows in Nepal. She's been coordinating and choreographing Miss Nepal since 1994 and I'm one of the products. She's not only taught the girls how to walk the ramp, but given training on presentation, speech, language, posture, and everything. There you go, all the trainers. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Looking great. They're the people who make it happen. It wouldn't happen without them. Femme Hidden Treasure.
Definitely.
Miss Nepal 2009. Having said that, we've got more to read. We're going to do that in a while.
But wait. We also have to thank the official media, Nepal Television. Thank you so much. Nagarik, thank you so much. Voice of Youth, FM, thank you so much. Web Media, Dreams and Ideas, thank you so much.
Now for the good stuff. All right.
What's the good stuff?
Well, it is a pageant, isn't it?
Yeah.
And
I think I need a breather because I'm very, very thirsty right now. So we'll have to take a short break.
Right now? All right, we're going to go announce actually because I'm in a rush right now. You know why?
Okay, fine then.
Because I want to know who the top 5 finalists are, as I promised. Are you guys ready for that?
Yeah. So let's announce the top 5 finalists of Femme Hidden Treasure Miss Nepal 2009.
I hope the ladies are ready. So all the ladies out there, all the best to you. We're going to start off with the first finalist for Femme Hidden Treasure Miss Nepal 2009. All right now we move over to the center of the stage. Because we heard we look better when we are on stage.
Okay, fine.
Come along. We haven't done this because we were sitting
I was feeling a bit shy. I don't know for what reason.
You're looking good. Don't worry about it. All right, so you've actually already opened it and peeped through it, yeah?
Yeah, I couldn't help it. Sorry.
We have to sit right here in the center.
Okay.
All right, and I think in that way we'll get the good camera angle as well.
Okay.
So there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, for Femme Hidden Treasure Miss Nepal 2009, we're going to be announcing the top 5 finalists. And the first finalist is...
She is contestant number 11, Ayesha Karki.
All right, come on down, contestant number 11, wherever you are. All right, moving over to the next one. Do you want to do the honors of opening up the title? All right, and up next we have our next finalist, and she is... contestant number 12, Richa Thapa Magar. Let's have her on stage, please.
Our next finalist for this evening, please welcome contestant number 1, Ritu Shakya.
All right, come on down, lady. I want to do the next honors. I'm just wondering where we're going to sit in a while. Anyways, the next finalist for Femme Hidden Treasure Miss Nepal 2009 is contestant number 1414, Kunchan Moktan Tamang.
And last but not the least, our last finalist for Femme Hidden Treasure Miss Nepal 2009 is contestant number 9, Janisha Mokhtar.
Come on down. Looking absolutely beautiful. The top 5 finalists for the Femme Hidden Treasure Miss Nepal 2009. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! All right. Ladies and gentlemen, let us remind you that you've seen the 5 finalists here looking absolutely gorgeous, actually. All right, so I hope you chose your favorites here as well and that you can see them here. And you can see the tables. It looks like an examination taking place. I think Malvika could explain better on this.
What will happen now is, if you can have some silence, please. We have our Chief Judge, Mr. Bishamar Pakurel, who will be asking one last question to all the ladies. उहाँले पाउने हुनुहुन्छ 3 मिनेटको समय 3 मिनेटको समयमा उहाँले आफ्नो आन्सर कम्प्लिट गरेर लेखिसक्नु पर्ने हुन्छ हामीले बजर राख्छौं बजर सकिन साथ उहाँले पेन स्टप गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ विल टेक द कार्बन कपी रिमेनिङ विल दे विल बी रिडिङ आउट याद राख्नुहोस् गर्ल्स प्लिज रिमेम्बर दिस इफ यु रीड something more than what is written in the paper you will be directly disqualified.
There we go. So we will be there checking out your carbon copies. So the main judge will be asking the question as Malvika has already said, so I think he should do the honors by now.
Please sir.
Girls, how are you? Don't worry. मैले गरेको कुरामा count down हुँदैन 3 minutes. Okay? I will give you two choices. One, you speak, you write, you need to write it up, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
त्यसैले म अंग्रेजीमा पनि भन्छु म नेपालीमा पनि भन्छु र अलिकति you had already had a tough questions from 10 credible judges. So अलिकति म अलिकति नयाँ environment change गर्न खोज्छु. Don't get serious. Personal life मा सधैँ मान्छेले हुने कुरा हो यो. Okay, first I will ask you this question in English. Listen carefully and then translate this into Nepali. Share an experience, your experience in your life that you have never told anyone until now. के तपाईले आफ्नो जीवनको त्यस्तो कुनै सम्झनै पर्ने अनुभव हामीलाई भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ जुन कुरा अहिलेसम्म यो क्षणसम्म कसैलाई पनि भन्नु भएको थिएन? Thank you.
One of the things that I've never shared with anyone and was only within myself is the fact that I was a very shy and introvert person. I never told this to anyone because I thought this was my biggest weakness and people would tease me for this. However, everyone can see for themselves the kind of person I am, both inside and outside. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ritu.
And we move over to contestant number 9. Let's see what she has to answer. Here we go.
The one incident in my life that has yet to be told to anyone has to be this. I was in grade 9 and was selected to play the lead role of Eliza Doolittle in the school drama My Fair Lady. And I was replaced in the last moment. I cried myself to sleep. But this taught me to stand back and fight every time I fall, and that's the reason I am here today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 9. She has read it as it is.
And our last finalist for tonight, Kunchang Muktan.
The one incident is when I was not selected in the top 10 of Miss Teen Nepal 2006. I acted as if I was not disappointed at all and acted so cool. But in reality, I was devastated and broken from inside. I cried for so many hours in my bathroom pretending I was taking a shower. Thank you.
Well, there have it, ladies and gentlemen. The
Thank you
top
so much, Kunchang. And of course, I think everybody has said straight from their heart because these have been very simple and very rightful answers. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you. We'll see you later in the evening.
And we must tell you that they read it as it was, and no, they did not cheat on any of the
No, they did not
messages.
cheat. They were very, very honest about it, and I think they've been very, very sweet with their answers. It came straight from the heart, definitely.